My name is Miguel from the Mobile 757. We're with a Dodge Hemi. Customers complaining that the car is leaking antifreeze. So we're going to find out where it's at. This is a coolant test kit. All I'm going to do, which I've already done, I found the adapter. I took the top off, which is 15 psi, which is how much pressure this will hold, 15 to 18. I'm going to replace it with this one. I took the hose right here and tightened it. Now I'm going to go on top of here and I'm going to close it, tighten it right up. Then I'm going to start pressing until I cannot go past 15 psi because I will blow the coolant system. And I'm going to keep pressing until I see a leak. This is a quick way of finding where the leak is at. So I start looking around and voila. You can see it dripping like there's no tomorrow. See it right there? That will be the radiator. Back up here. This simple little tool will save you a lot of money and time. Another little trick you can do, you could put some dye inside your coolant system and turn the car on and see if you can see the dye. Or you can use this, which is very inexpensive, and you just keep pumping. You do not go past the PSI, but 9 times out of 10, once you start pumping, you're gonna pressurize the system as if the car is running. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you.